Hare Krishna. Today, 9th of October 2020, and tomorrow is very nice day. 10-10-2020. Tomorrow, 10-10-2020. So, by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnavas around, we shall be taking text 29 of chapter 11 of third canto Srimad Bhagavatam, which is entitled Calculation of Time from the Atom. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet Nasuprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtaki. Text 29. Tam Ivanan api adhiyante loka bhuradayas trayah nishamya anuvrityayam nirmukta sakti bhaskaram. Tam, that, eva, certainly, anu, after, apidhiyante, are out of sight. Lokaha, the planets. Bhu Adayaha, the three words, Bhu Bhuvar and Swaha. Trayaha, three. Nishayam, in the night. Anuvartyayam, ordinary. Nirmukta, without glare. Shashi, the moon. Bhaskaram, the sun. Translation purport by Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. When the night of Brahma ensues, all the three words are out of sight, and the sun and the moon are without glare, just as in the due course of an ordinary night. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshmritam Menam Tasmai Sri Gurube Namah. Sri Chaitanya Manovishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadam Mayam Dadati Supadandikam Bandeham Sri Guru Srita Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhuitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopes Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Brishavanushruti Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vesha Kripa Sindhu Vacha Patita Namapavane Vaishnavevyo Namo Namah. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Tam Yevavan Apidhiyante Loka Bhuradayastrayah Nishamyam Anuvartayam Nirmukta Sakti Nirmukta Sasi Vaskaram. So, Vidura being enlightened here by Sage Maitreya, he's saying when the night of Brahma comes, after 4,000 Chaturyugas, all the three words are out of sight. Means, we'll come to know what happened to them. And the sun and the moon are without glare, just as in the due course of an ordinary night. Let's see what Prabhupada is saying. It is understood that the glare of the sun and the moon disappear from the sphere of the three words, but the sun and the moon themselves do not vanish. They appear in the remaining portion of the universe, which is beyond the sphere of the three words. The portion of dissolution remains without sun rays and moon glows. It all remains dark and full of water. And there are undefatigable winds, as explained in the following verses. Some more verses are coming, we'll know. Trilokyam dayamanayam shaktaya shankarshanagnina yantya ushmana maharloka janma jannam jannam Virgo adayorditaha Trilokyam, when the spheres of the three worlds Dayyamananam, being set ablaze, Shaktya, by the potency, Shankarshana, from the mouth of Shankarsana, Agnina, by the fire, Yanti, they go, Ushmana, heated by the warmth, Mahalokat, from Mahaloka, Janam, the Janaloka, Bhrigu, the sage Bhrigu, Adayaha, and others. Araditaha, being so distressed. Translation and purport. Translation only. The devastation takes place due to the fire emanating from the mouth of Sankarsana, and thus the great sages like Virgu and their inhabitants of the Maharloka transport themselves to Janaloka, being distressed by the warmth of the blazing fire, which rages through the three worlds below. So by the fire, everything is burned up. And on the top of there is a water, devastated water. And on the top of there is a wind. And everything is finished. Inundated. Halash. And the fire is coming from the mouth of Sankarsana, who is holding all these universes in his hood, like a one small mustard seed. And he has millions of heads and millions of the tongue. Now from, I don't know which mouth the fire is coming, but fire coming from one mouth is more than enough to destroy everything or to reset it. Let us put it in this way. Nowadays, common language. To reset it. Text 31. Tavat tribhunam sadyah kalpante dhita sindhavah palvavayanta utakatatupa chandavatire turmayah. Tavat, then, Tribhuvanam, all the three words, Sadhyaha, immediately after, Kalpa Anta, in the beginning of the devastation, Iditaha, inflated, Sindhavaha, all the oceans, Plavayanti, inundate, Uktaha, violent, Atopa, agitation, Chanda, hurricane, Vata, the wind, Herita, blown, Urumayaha, waves. Translation purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. At the beginning of the devastation, all the seas overflows and hurricanes wind blow very violently. Thus the waves of the sea becomes ferocious, and in no time at all the three worlds are under full water. Spiritual tsunami. And nowadays we have seen a little earthquake, a little of this, a little fire, that the jungle is on fire. We get, oh my God. We don't know. These are not even the sample. Just a feeling. What when the devastation takes place? Prabhupada says in the purport, it is said that the blazing fire from the mouth of Sankarsana rages for 100 years of the demigod. Oh boy, he has so much of fuel in him. Or 36,000 human years. Then for another 36,000 years, there are torrents of rain accompanied by violent wind and waves, and the seas and the oceans overflow. These reactions of 72,000 years are the beginning of the partial devastation of the three world. People forget all this devastation of the world and think themselves happy in the material progress of civilization. This is called Maya, or that which is not. Now, after understanding this chapter, if you are still planning to stay back, then all glory is unto you. Why we have to go through so much of problem? We have time, we have resources, we have knowledge, and we have been empowered to chant the name of Lord, compassion on other living entities, Name Ruchi Jive Daya Vaishnava Sevana. By doing this, within our lifetime, whatever our life is at 50, 60, 70, 80 years, within these 80 years, we can just go back. Why to wait for 36,000 of the human earth and 72,000, and it is only a partial, not full devastation. So those are the reminders, those who want to escape the onslaught of Maya. And how to do that? Devi asa gunmayi Maya duratya Mam eva ye prapadante Maya metam sanandate. In order, we like to cross over the science of Maya, then become a devotee, surrender to Krishna, and He'll save us. And why He's doing this? So that we can come back to Him and enjoy their eternity. So many people say that why we have been kicked out from the Goloka. No, I said we have not kicked out. Because whatever quality Krishna has, the soul has the same qualities. Only quantity differs from 1 to trillion. That's it. Just example. Not even trillions, it may be much more than that. So because Lord is independent, so Jiva also thought, let me become independent. The quality of Krishna. And his free will. And he said, okay, if you want to be, fine, go ahead. And then he created the material world. Like when somebody goes to the jail, it is a rehabilitation. They are taught there how to live peacefully. And so this is our rehabilitation of the spiritual world, that we come here, learn, accept, agree, get self-realized, and go back. In a very simple term. Text 32. Antasa tasmin salila asti antastasano harihi yoga nidra nimilakshaha shu stuyamano janalayehi. Antaha, antaha, within, saha, that, tasmain, in that, salile, water, aste, there is, ananta, ananta, asenaha, on the seat of, harihi, the Lord, yoga, mystic, nidra, sleep, nimila, akshaha, eyes closed, stuya, manaha, being glorified, jana, alaihi, by the inhabitants of Jana Loka planets. Translation purport. The Supreme Lord, the person of Godhead, lies down in the water of seat of Ananta with his eyes closed. And the inhabitants of the Janaloka planets offer their glorious prayer unto the Lord with folded hands. Mannam jahasa vaikunto mohaye nivamaya. We should not understand the sleeping condition of the Lord is to be the same as our sleep. Here the word Yoga Nidra is specifically mentioned, which indicates that the Lord's sleeping condition is also a manifestation of His internal potency. Whenever the word yoga is usually, it should be understood to refer to that which is transcendental. In the transcendental stage of activities are always present, and they glorified the prayers of the great sages like Bhrigu. And nowadays, you just pay $15 and you become self-realized. Or you get Yoga Siddhi. Now, whatever Siddhi one may accomplish, how long that going to last? Only so long the body. And body's maximum Satyuga is 100,000 years. Nothing beyond that, right? So even somebody has accomplished something according to the period. Let us say somebody has accomplished the Yoga Siddhi in the age of Kali, so 100 years. Let's say 25% grace, 125 years. But in the end, goes down the drain. Isn't it? So why to waste time? The simple method here, Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam eva kevalam, Kalahu, Nastyeva, Nastyeva, Nastyeva gatir anyatha. Now after so much of information, receiving, if you have not woke up, then we are very unfortunate. We have to buckle our belt and prepare for doing the devotional service as much as possible. Of course, with quality, as much as possible. Otherwise, nobody has seen tomorrow. And the proverb is there, tomorrow never comes. Whatever it comes is the today or the day, not the tomorrow. And you cannot capture the future, the past. You cannot rewind it. Can't do anything. Prabhupada has quoted the Chanakya Pandit. Even 1 second for millions of dollars you cannot buy. Bygone is bygone. So we are living for the day. And if the day is wasted without doing devotion, then who's going to lose it? With yourself. Nobody to blame. You cannot accuse anybody. Simply, we can call it our misfortune. Or in other words, we are totally drunkard. When we have no senses, what is right, what is wrong, what to do. Sometimes the people, they devise the program and give a very mundane example how the people, take it for serious. There were 3 friends and they were doing together. So somehow or other, 2 friends left for the foreign country and the man left behind. He'll go to the same bar, order for 3 glasses and sip from these glasses. The waiter would ask him, what happened? Oh, our friend, they have gone. But because I need their company, so I'm drinking on their behalf. After some time, he found out the man asked only for the 2 glasses of beer. The waiter was surprised. Sir, what happened? Is everything all right? Is one of your friends has gone away? He's died, gone to Yamaloka or what? He said, no, they are all right. Then why you ask for 2? But no, now I have decided to give up. I will not drink now. I have given up my drinks. I'm only drinking on their behalf. Now this example I am giving, we are saying, the devotion, I'll do tomorrow. I have a time. That very famous, kal kare so aaj kare so kab. पल में प्रलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब? आज करना है सो कल करेंगे, कल करना है सो परसों। हमें इतनी जल्दी क्या है, हमें तो जीना है परसों। सो वी फूल आवरसेल्फ बाय सेइंग, yeah, oh, Prabhu, I couldn't finish my round today, I'll finish it tomorrow. The tomorrow has never come, and today we have lost. So why I'm trying to say this, that sometime we take a easy cut. It's all right, we can do that. I was very busy. One day, there was a devotee. Somebody complained to Srila Prabhupada, this man, he never attends the Mangalarti. Prabhupada called him. What happened? He said, Prabhupada, I'm in the kitchen up to 2 o'clock in the night, cleaning the vessels, cleaning the kitchen, keeping everything all right. Then how can I come for Mangalarti? Prabhupada suggested a very nice thing. Then don't go to the sleep. Chant for 2 hours, attend Mangalarti, and then go where you have to go. That much of importance. That much of importance. Even at the bodily discomfort, one has to execute the devotional service. At the bodily discomfort. And we have a little bodily discomfort, then first thing what we do, give up the devotion. Oh, today I have a fever, I couldn't chant, I got a backache, I couldn't chant, I was in the hospital, I couldn't chant, I have this office, I came very late, I couldn't chant, everything couldn't. There could be millions of excuses not to do the devotion. But we should have only one reason to do the devotion. If not now, then when? And if not me, then who? You see? Let us say we are a very nice big family. Husband, wife, children loving one another. But when they eat food, they are all individual. They are not eating for one another. We have a good family together. But food is eaten for themselves. They are not eating for others. Similarly, the bhakti is done for the self, not any other's behalf. So that's why, if not me, then who? If not now, then when? If we develop this consciousness, well, surely Krishna favor. And generally he favors. Swalpam apis dharmasya trayate mehato bhayat. Even a small step taken. Think few years before, when you are not in join ISKCON, what you all are doing. Think of it for a moment. All activities for sense gratification. And now, swalpam apyasi dharmasya trayate mehato bhayat. Now, at least by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnavas around, or Guru Janas and all, we are spending at least 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening, or maybe 1 hour for 1.5 hours for Bhagavatam. And 3 hours a day, somehow or other, maybe more, minimum 3 hours a day, we are investing in the service of Krishna. Isn't it? So that Swalpam Abhyasa Dharmasya, that small step taken by us then, in any pretext, is giving the result now. And the more we mature, the more we get Krishna Prema, and the more the anxieties go off. No anxieties at all. Even if you get anger, this anger will come for a minute, not more than a minute, or maximum 2 minutes. Finish thereafter, nothing. Or if you become greedy for something, for a minute. Or you become envious, just for a minute. It won't last hours, weeks, months and years. It won't. Definitely not. Because somehow or other, we are chanting the Krishna name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. So, Prabhuji, with this, I'll come to the conclusion. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.